So Miss Amber, you've lived in New Mexico practically all your life, except for when I rescued you. You've never really been to Roswell.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to Roswell.
Hello from Roswell.
Guys, we're super excited. We've never been here. Amber, you've only been here once, and that was a pass-through.
Probably. It was a few times maybe it was pass-throughs. Like, we've never actually stopped and like taken a look around and stuff. So I'm excited because it's all about aliens and stuff. And the first crash in, what was it,
49 or 59?
Some, like 40s or 50s. So I'm super excited about that.
Yeah, and before that became famous, Roswell was known as like a cattle capital for New Mexico, so it was pretty cool to kind of see some of the pioneer stuff that they have here.
If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome.
Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends, comment, share, like, start a discussion, all that great stuff.
So we made it to the visitor center. Right outside they have a map that shows you everything that you want to do. And all that kind of fun stuff. It's kind of cool. So we arrived at Hangar 209. It's right across the street from the museum. They have alien jerky, which is what Amber wanted to come see. And then they have some other merch and stuff like that here. It's pretty cool. They have a lot of different brands. Wow. Huh. Then they have your salsa. And then you have your gimmicky drinks and stuff. Amber's on a hunt for a shirt. That's cool. So we don't have enough time for the museum. Oh, like a 1940s, 1950s chocolate. That's cool.
Yeah, raise the dead, what it says. But yeah, no, it's Alaska. Really good.
It's like a little handbag.
Yeah, we do some New Mexican coffee as well. But
Guys, a UFO McDonald's. Isn't that crazy? This is where we're going to eat. I know it's McDonald's, but what better way? They have aliens. They have this Amber. Aliens everywhere. Look at this. Look at that. It's crazy. We're gonna go inside. Look at this. They have a, I don't know if you can see it through it, but there's a rocket made out of French fries.
That lights up at night.
And it lights up. You can see the LEDs. I didn't know aliens like McDonald's. Alright, enough fun. Let's go inside.